Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before going to the programming page, I would like to give you some idea of this program, that how is going to work. First, we will create some memory locations and some elements in it, and then we will use a for loop. First we will initialize the pointer to the some location of this array. Then we will give some condition to this array, and when this condition satisfies, it makes the required updation or changes as per our requirements. Until this condition satisfies, this will be in loop. Once the condition fails, it comes out of the loop. So this is called as for loop. If you didn't understood, then don't worry, you will understand while doing the program. Then we will initialize a pointer to the some location of this array, and we will keep on incrementing this pointer until we get our search element. So this incrementation will be done with the help of this for loop. I hope you got some idea. So without wasting much time, let's head towards our programming page. So hello everyone. So this is our programming page and it is ready. First we will write the syntax, or we will create some memory locations. That is, I want integer a of 50. That is, the size of the array is 50 and the array name is a, and it should be integer. And I want I as a pointer, and position to locate our required element, and element to store the required element, and n is the number of elements. After that, I will clear screen. Then cout, I will ask the number of elements. Enter the number of elements. After that, cin, that is input n. I will put the number of elements in n, and again cout, I will ask for the elements. Cout, enter the elements. Remember, the things which are visible in the red are going to print in the screen. So whichever we want to print, we will denote it in the double inverted comma. I will use for loop here. For I is equal to 0, I is lesser than n, this is our condition. Then I plus plus. Then cin, that is input the element cin a of I. Now I will explain you why I use the for loop here. For I is equal to 0, first I will initialize I to the position of 0 of the array. Then I will give the condition that I should be lesser than or equal to n. Then I will say that after the condition is true, then I plus plus, that is, I should increment. This is the for loop I have used. After using this for loop, then I will store the elements in this. After that, cout again, I will enter the search element. Enter the search element. First we will ask them to enter the search element. Then once we type the search element, it is going to store in this ele search element. After storing it, here all our collection of the data finishes. Now comes the main body of the program. That is, first we will initialize the position to the -1. The position should be in the place of -1. Then again we will use for loop, that is I is equal to 0. I will initialize I to the place of 0, and I will say that my I should be lesser than n, that is lesser than number of elements. Then I will increment I. If it is lesser than elements, it should be keep on incrementing. It should be kept in loop until this condition satisfies. After, if le is equal to if my search element, that is if my search element is equal to a of I, that is until the search element matches the position, then position is equal to I. See here, what I have done is I have used a for loop, that is I is equal to 0, then I should be lesser than n, then I plus plus. This will be I, this I point will be kept on incrementing until my search element matches. Once it matches, that is if element is equal to a of I, here once it matches, then it stores the address of the search element, position is equal to I. Then I will end this and close with the flower bracket. Then if position is greater than or equal to 0, if position is greater than or equal to 0, cout le, again inverted comma, this I wanted to print is present at position, close inverted comma, I will give position pause and endl. Else cout le, that is our search element, is not present, endl. Then get, then I'll close the flower bracket. Here if position is greater than or equal to 0, our position should be greater than or equal to 0 because we have all the elements starting with 0 position. So I have given the condition as if position is greater than or equal to 0. Once this condition is satisfied, then I will print that I have used cout le, that is our search element, cout le is present at position. This is going to print position, is going to present at position pause. Pause is the position where my search element is present, because I have already initialized this position here. Otherwise, if this condition fails, then it automatically says that element is not present and endl. Here our program ends. Now we will compile and check our program whether it has any errors or not. So you can see here we have no warnings and we have no errors in this program. Press any key, I'll press any key. Now we will run our program. So first it is going to ask us enter the number of elements, right? 5. So this 5 is going to store in the n and enter the elements. I will type 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We can type any number of elements and we have to type only 5 elements because we have already created the space for 5 elements in the number n. After typing it and enter the search element. Enter the search element. So I wanted to search 30. Enter. 30 is present at position 2. You can see 10 is present in the position 0, 20 is present in the position 1 and 30 is present in the position 2. So 30 is present at position 2. Again enter the search. So I have entered here only search, so it is going to display only search. Whatever you enter here, it is going to display there, right? The search element, element, end. Now it is going to display full. Now again if I run, see, again it is going to ask me enter the number of elements. This time I will give 4 and again enter the number of elements, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 elements I have entered. Then again it says to ask me to search the element. I wanted to search the element number 2. So you all see that element 2 is not present here, so 2 is not present. It displays 2 is not present. So here ends my program. If you understood, please do subscribe to my channel and then like, share and comment if you have any doubts, and thank you.